Hello everyone, and how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing awesome. Today's video will be an update on my Oncidium Volcano Queen, Ahula Ahula. As you guys know, a couple months ago, I showed you that she was putting out a second spike. Well, here's her second spike. She still has a couple buds to open. This spike is a little bit longer than the previous one. I cut her previous spike back. As you can see, I didn't cut her all the way down here. You never want to cut them down too low because you don't want any bacteria to travel, just in case. So you always cut them a little bit higher to be on the safe side. And if you want to cut it lower, you wait until it dries out and turn woody, and you can cut it back, I suggest down to here. Or you can go a little bit lower where it'll be hidden behind the leaf. Because some people, they don't like that woody appearance. So back here, a couple months ago, you remember me sharing with you guys that she was putting on a baby. Well, a baby pup came up. So here she is. She's getting really big, guys. As you remember, she was like a little nubbin. She was way down here at the base. I topped her off with some sphagnum moss to give the roots something to grow in, because it was really low, and her base was above the bottom of the new growth, was above the moss that I had down already. So it got packed down, so I just topped it off with a little bit more sphagnum moss. But all in all, she's doing really good. The whole plant is doing awesome. She also has new growth in here, hiding away. Oh, I hope it doesn't become hard for this one to grow. Because this is this new growth right here is smushed in between this new growth. So it's looking like, you see how it's kind of blocked? So I might have to separate this plant from here after she finished blooming, to give this plant right here some room to grow. Okay guys, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates. And also, feel free to share with your friends and your families. Thank you so much, and happy growing.